Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Euro dollar monthly, we are sitting at the 50%. We don't really know whether this level is going to hold or not. It definitely could go down to any one of these Fibonacci levels before it actually does make the bigger push to the upside that we've been waiting for. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely do not have any reason to say yet that this downtrend right here is over. This is definitely all lower lows, lower highs. We have no breaker structure. We do not have a significant higher low. This definitely could keep on stretching out if it wants to. Heading down to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, this is the breaker structure point for me. If price goes up and breaks and holds above this structure, then I'm going to say that the trend is very likely over. To me, it looks like an ABC correction. I think there's a very good chance that this is already back into the downtrend, and I think it's going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs over the next few weeks or so, especially because we are going into the holiday week. So there probably is a pretty good chance that a lot of the Forex pairs will start to slow down into next week and the week after. Going down to the 4 hour time frame is where you can see what I think is very clearly 5 waves up. I think this is corrective down, 3 waves down, and then 5 waves up. So to me, it looks like an ABC correction. If this is the end of an ABC correction, then this should continue to make lower lows, lower highs. If it does not continue the low high, low high, low high series that you see on this 4 hour time frame, as in it goes up and breaks structure, then you may want to switch it up back to longs. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame. So like I said, on the 1 hour time frame, I am definitely still looking for sorts in a downtrend. Now, as long as it continues this low high series that we have on the 4 hour time frame, then I definitely will hold on to my longs, and I definitely will look for more longs. If this does go up and break structure significantly with momentum, then I'll definitely exit my shorts, and I'll definitely think about going long on pullbacks. But as long as it continues the low high series, especially on like the 4 hour time frame, because I consider the 4 hour time frame to be tuned correctly, then I will definitely hold on to my shorts, and I'll definitely look for more shorts at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.